2 and the 3. So for today's video, it's going to be a mini vlog touring you around Mapua Makati. They recently opened an open house for their School of Medicine, so I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Mapua, for context, is just new to the medicine community. I think they were established 2 years ago or just last year, and I'm really curious about what type of spaces they offer, especially for medicine, considering that Mapua is mainly known for engineering. So this is what I'm doing to feed my curiosity, and let's go. Ta-da! Hey guys, so I will be doing a voiceover for the entirety of the video. I am so sorry because I was not able to talk a lot when I was vlogging inside the Mapua University Makati campus. So I basically came here for their open house for their School of Medicine, and I was just expecting that the dean would be proposing the curriculum. So that's from year level 1 to year level 4, and they actually gave us a list of the subjects we will be taking. Here are the hospital partners and the affiliates of the school, and of course the scholarships. If you guys are interested with their scholarships, this is just one of it. I know there are 3 merit scholarships, but I was not able to take a note of that. But if you do want to ask more questions about it, just message them on their Facebook page. They're really responsive, and yeah. So for the next part of the open house, they actually talked about the application requirements, and one of which is that you need to have an 85 PR and MAT result, but with possible consideration. This just means if you do not meet the quota, you can send in your reconsideration letter, and the admissions will help you guide through that. Also, part of the requirements would be your transcript of records, birth certificate, good moral, and the application fee for this is 2,000 pesos. So the admissions would just go back and then email you after paying, and we'll tell you all about the details for the next steps. So right after that, we had an opportunity to roam around the campus, and this room is one of the things that I'm mesmerized about because it's so pretty. And this is a conference room wherein important people, important lecturers are actually doing their talks inside. And this one, to move forward, is a small footage of the library. And after that, we went on to their computer laboratory. I'm surprised majority of their computers are iMacs, so definitely Mapua, very techie school. And what I like most about this campus tour is how they integrated the greenery in their campus. Just look at that. You would just feel the vibe of nature, and it's one of the ways wherein you can de-stress after having a long day in school. So this one, what I'm showing you guys, it's the top floor of the university, and this floor is mainly dedicated to the health sciences. So majority of the courses here are your nursing students, your med tech students, and your medicine students. So they have a lot of anatomy parts that are displayed in each room, and I love how colorful this part of the floor is. The School of Medicine also offers an anatomage. So if you do not know what that is, it's basically a large iPad wherein you can see different sections of the body, different angles, and different sides. And I am pretty sure that this is not the only school that has this type of device. I'm sure Ateneo has one because I've seen it in their open house, and it's just really fun to have that device, that techie device, for you to study anatomy better. Now, this is one of their simultation laboratory rooms wherein it looks like a ward where it's designed with many hospital beds, and then there is this device, and there were so many things going on inside this room, which makes it very good and efficient when it comes to RET-DEM or return demonstration. medicines. So I feel like this ward is mainly used by the nursing students as well as the medicine students. So Sir Marco was just trying to talk to us about how each of these devices works, and this is also the part wherein the School of Medicine of Mapua is actually not using live cadavers. Instead, they are using synthetic cadavers. So this is an example of it. This is what they use specifically to learn about the human anatomy.
So it can be on a clinic, it can be on a mobile van, so an ER, a simulation of a emergency, like for example.
So this is the room, guys, where you can see it from there. So like there's a camera, and then yung simulation.
Unfortunately, guys, this is towards the end of the video, and I'm very grateful to experience all of this on site. So if you guys are interested about the school even more, you can check out their socials on Facebook or email them if you have specific questions. Thank you, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you do enjoy these types of videos. Bye-bye.